everyone. A very happy Valentine's Day to all you people out there. The ones who are married, happy Valentine's Day to you and your better half, or the bitter half, or whatever you call him as or her as. And happy Valentine's Day to those who are newly in love, newly married, new couples, or the ones who are looking in for their soulmate. So it's a beautiful day to love and to share love. Happy Valentine's Day to all the mothers also who love their children the most, and to all the fathers there who take care of the children, because for me Valentine's Day is not just for lovers, though they call it as lovers day. It's for everyone who gives unconditional love to each other. So there are two wands here. Actually both the wands are of same design, but one is the wood form and one is the white colored form. So now what I want you all to do is just close your eyes for a few seconds and say, dear God, Goddess, dear angels, dear divine, my guardian angel, please show me which wand should I select. The wand 1, which is the wooden wand, or the wand 2, which is the white wand. Just take 2-3 seconds of your time, and if you are not able to get any image, you can just open your eyes and see which is the wand that attracts you the most. Even in that ways you can take. So this is going to be 2 types of readings which I am bringing in. So I'm just going to give you all the 2 seconds here to decide. So I hope you all have decided. Now for those who have taken the plain wooden wand, actually this is my favorite wand. It's made of raw wood, so it has its own raw energies, so that's the reason I had kept that. Okay, let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. So the card is saying that in your relationship you need to give each other the space that is needed, and you guys just need to give and take with each other. Not that always you keep giving the relationship or your partner keeps giving you the relationship. No, that will not work out, because you need to work on that. If this card, actually even I love it, because I see these two people very close to each other and just pampering each other or loving each other for whatever they are. So I would suggest that space is always needed. And another message which when I see this card I get is the relationship is going to get deepen. So I feel a lot of strength is going to come in your relationship this year. When I say strength, I don't mean physical strength, emotional bonding. You are going to really love it. In fact, I would give a small suggestion. Not today, the day you'll be watching this video definitely is not going to be the Valentine's Day. I'll be posting it a little before that. So on the day of Valentine's, have a nice rose quartz water bath. Now when I say rose quartz water bath, take a few rose quartz crystals, soak it in water for some time, even for you and even for your partner. Have a bath with it. Decorate your bedroom or your private space with a little bit of roses, whatever roses you get that day. I'm not very specific about red roses, even white roses or yellow roses or pink roses will do. So decorate your room, surprise your partner, make it a point that you are getting bonded with them, and you are making this day a special day. Yes, I know every day is a special day when it comes in certain relationships, no doubt about it, but make them feel extra special today. In that ways you'll feel very happy that you have made them feel real extra special today. Okay, these two cards, I feel that it's dance of the planets. I feel as if you both guys, or you both partners, be it guys or girls, or the lovers, or whatever you call it as, are going to really dance this time. And you're going to dance in the sense, it's going to be a blessed year for you all when it comes in relationship. And when I see blessedness, I feel everyone's blessings are going to be there. You are going to find it real amazing this year when it comes in strengthening your relationship. Yes, I would say give yourselves a little space also from time to time. Don't start becoming over dominant also in a relationship. Then only this will happen. Then only the relationship will be happy, the relationship will be blessed, the relationship will be really amazing. And I wanted to even pull certain special cards for you all, for the people who have taken set 1. these 2-3 cards just came out as flip. Yes, sometimes I take the flip cards as messages, sometimes I don't take, so I'm not taking it. Okay, but again, see, that's what it happens. The same card came again. So here the card says introspection. Now I would say here, sit back and see where you're going wrong, if it is you who's going wrong, and sit back and see where the partner is going wrong, if it is a partner who's going wrong, and see what has to be done to make your relationship stronger. Because again, I see beautiful energies, because here it's a heart, it's a hope card with a star, and this hope and a star are making me say to you that you guys are going to be happy and blessed together, and things will go the way you all have planned. So this year, relationship wise, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be an amazing relationship. The last card, I don't know why I feel like a pull, it's the 9 of gems, independence. So give each other time and space, and the relationship is going to blossom and bloom and going to be really, really fun. Now this is a special card I wanted to give you all, and these are actually cards of the saints and crystals. I want you all to, if possible, get that crystal from somewhere, whichever comes, and pray to the god or the goddess which has come. So now that's a blue tiger's eye which has come, and Saint Lucy, Lucy. Now Saint Lucy basically comes when you need to be aware of things happening and see a relationship from a higher perspective. Now those who can't get a blue tiger's eye can also get a tiger's eye, a simple normal tiger's eye which is easily available, and get 2 tiger's eye, one for you and one for your partner. Now if for example you cannot carry it, or your partner cannot carry it, in the bed wherever you sleep and wherever your partner sleeps, you can just keep one each under your pillows, and you will feel really, really happy that you people are keeping that. Because what will happen when you keep a blue tiger's eye, what happens is you can see clearly what it is needed to make a relationship special. So that is why we say blue tiger's eye. But again, keep a normal tiger's eye also. It will help you in enhancing the relationship. It will help you in making a relationship strong and grounded. And moreover, whenever I work with tiger's eye, for me the golden tinge, the brown and the golden tinge always is an attraction point for me, because I feel the brown is the grounding and the stability of the relationship, and the golden tinge is the abundance in the relationship. So that's about it for you beautiful guys who had taken the card 1. So now I'm going to go to my card 2. Let's see what the card 2 has in store for you. Now this is for the people who took this. This is also an amazing one. I really love this one. I love the design actually. So whoever has taken this white one, this is for them. That's for them. It's almost the same, but here it says give each other the space, or give each other the space in terms of trust and faith. So here this card, actually if you see this card, it says you should give them the faith, that you have faith in them. I always believe that any relationship, when it is without trust, it is of no use, and that when there's no trust, there's no point itself in having a relationship in life. So give them the trust and create opportunities where your life, you can grow, come out of unwanted things. If there are certain things of the past which is troubling your relationship, that is how I see this. Let go of it. Whatever has happened, just leave it, move forward. Somewhere you love your partner and somewhere you want to move forward. Maybe your partner is not changing, maybe your partner is being very adamant, but with unconditional love, anything can be changed. And believe me, I am a person who believes in unconditional love. So give unconditional love and see how beautifully the relationship changes and how things work beautifully for you. Because again, the way I said, if you give unconditional love, this is a beautiful card. Now this card says lovers. So when you see lovers here, you see there are 2 people who are just sitting and looking at the sky. Now here I would say looking at the stars, looking at the moon, and just happy in bliss. They don't care about the world, they don't care about anything, and this is the burning hero. So re-spark the kindle in your relationship. I would say there is a lot of those who have taken the set 2, I feel you people have been suppressing a lot in the relationship. You people have been troubled with a lot of things happening around. Maybe a partner has hurt your feelings in ways he or she is not supposed to hurt you, but we are humans. End of the day, humans make mistakes, and end of the day, if you love your person unconditionally, I'm not saying become their slave or agree to everything that they say, but yes, you can give them a chance. You might ask me, what if I've already given them 2-3 chances? The card is saying give them one last chance. maybe because this reading has come that you need to give them a chance. So just give them a chance, and you will see things changing beautifully. So give them a chance. It's just a suggestion. Rest is up to you. Give them a chance. So let's see what the special cards are going to tell for you. See, one thing why I always love when I sit with all my cards is, see the first card which came, trust. You might see the Fool here, but it is trust. So again, trust in a relationship is a must. Somewhere your relationship is going for a 6 because of lack of trust, lack of faith, understanding. See, this is why I say I love my cards. So the next card which has come, understanding, basically is strengthen. Strengthen your relationship. You need to strengthen. Now if you see here, it's a lady sitting with a tiger, but if you see here, she knows what she's doing. If you see her, she's just sitting with the tiger, but she's looking out at something. So understand the opposite person, understand their perspective, and believe me, the relationship is going to be an adventure. This is what the relationship is going to be. So if you understand them, there's going to be adventure. So you decide. You want to understand your partner and make this relationship as an adventurous relationship in this year 2022, or you want to just be in that thinking that no, my partner has cheated me, my partner has done this with me, my partner abuses me. I know physical abuse is not acceptable. So again, don't go back to the thing that Pinky ji said physical abuse, every sort of abuse. No, not every sort of abuse. Even me, if I get angry, I might have scolded or I might have used a word or two, be it to husband or children or your parents. It happens. When you get angry, it just happens. It doesn't mean someone has intentionally. Yes, though I keep telling that in anger only the true words come out, in anger only the reality comes out. But yes, it happens. I'm not saying no, but maybe it was not intentional. Maybe it was at that spur of the moment that some things came which has hurted the person. But again, I would say just go with the flow. This year 2022 is a year of abundance, is a year of blessings, is the year of prosperity. So let's just give one last chance for the people who have taken card 2. Let's see which is the crystal that has come, calcite. See, again, calming the mind. Calming the mind is very important for you people, for this relationship to go forward, and goddess Tara has come. I really love goddess Tara because she is the goddess who speaks kindly to everyone, and she is the goddess who actually works in a very calm way. How do you work with the calcite? Get 2 pieces of calcite. Again, keep one under his bed and one under his or her pillow, one under your pillow. Every day, just hold your calcite. Maybe you might not expect your partner or your parents or your siblings to hold it, but you can hold it and talk to the crystal. Tell it what it is that you desire, what it is that you feel as an outcome that you want in this relationship, because ultimately we need to make this relationship better. No one else from outside is going to come and make this relationship better in any relationship wise. I would like to also give you all just 2-3 tips end of this session. First thing, have a blessed Valentine's Day. And before I forget, because one of the videos I forgot, and so you need to like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon so that you will get notifications. And you all know now I've become a very, very good child or a good girl, and I keep coming live and I keep coming with good videos. So if you click the bell icon, then you'll be notified. On the day of Valentine's Day, feed a poor person, because maybe we all are blessed that we have someone to love us, but someone out there doesn't have anyone to love. What I do, or what I am planning to do on this Valentine, I don't know how far I would be able to do it or not. I'm planning to feed some stray dogs at least, so that a good meal. Now I remember when I had shifted to this house newly, there was this dog who used to always come and stand at the back, and I had named him Junior Blackie. Few of my students who had come here know the story, and I had named him Junior Blackie because I love Blackie, my pet. So I used to specifically, at least once a week, I used to order from Zaitun barbecue chicken, and I used to give him, and I used to throw from here, and everyone in the house, in fact I think 2-3 students were there at that time, and they used to tease me that wow, your stray dog gets barbecue chicken. So I am planning to pick up a few barbecue chickens and give to my stray dogs here. You all should, if you are not an animal lover, then at least feed someone, because I think that day the love you spread is the love that the universe will give back to you all. And one more thing I would want you all to do is give yourself a lot of self-love, because if I don't love myself, then believe me, no one else is going to love me. That is for sure. So for self-love, what should I do? Pick up a nice rose quartz for yourselves. Gift yourself something good. It is not necessary. Sometimes partners don't gift at all. And believe me, I have got good experience in that partners don't gift anything at all. So what you can do is, gift yourself something nice that day. Whatever you like, gift yourself. Go for a spa session, go for a massage session, do something, gift yourself. Gift your partner also. It's okay if your partner doesn't gift you. You can gift them. You cannot, do a tit for tat. So, and for self-love, go do something that you like. Do something that you really love doing that day. And or you don't have the time, you have office, or you have some plans with your partner, then at least, sit somewhere for 5 to 10 minutes and just give yourself pink light. Burn pink candles that day. Pink candles bring in a lot of love, and relationship issues get sorted. Negativity gets cut in a relationship. Relationship blossoms beautifully. So burn a pink candle, if possible 2 pink candles. Last one thing I would like to tell you all is, other than your partner or your sibling or your house people, send someone a love you message, or that you care for them message, whom you feel has always been with you, or is a person whom you really love, and is a person who is after your family. They are the one for you, and see the love that you get in return. I know these are all simple easy tips which I've given, but you can do it, and I know you can do it. And those who believe in saints or saint magic, or angels and saints, call on Saint Valentine that day. Thank him for bringing such a beautiful day, and thank him for showing love in this world. And do spread love to your loved ones that day, so that they will feel special, and they will feel as if, yes, there is someone in spite of me not being good to them is being good to me, and there is someone who loves me the way I love. So happy Valentine's Day to you all, and do like it, share it, subscribe it, and click the bell icon. Have a blessed year ahead. May your relationship become much stronger and deeper. You all be grounded for life. You all be together with each other lifelong. Thank you.